Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, and let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 570, Nasdaq's down 195, S&Ps are down 72, gold contract up $58, trading at $1,321 an ounce. Silver up 41 cents, $17.76 an ounce. Platinum up 18 at $9.84 an ounce. Copper down 5 pennies at $2.11 a pound. Light sweet crude off $2.50, trading at $47.60 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 1.17 ticks, 132.11. 30-year bond up 3 ticks, up 3 points, 24 ticks, 169.27. King dollar up 2,000 ticks, trading at 95.58. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is at 102. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get Britain voted to leave the UK. Bottom line, you get volatility in the marketplace. Your SPY is trading at 203.83. Right at the May 19th swing area, which is the 202.78. This is the ABC structure that we've been in for quite a while. It's down. You got volume behind the move. Bottom line, folks, is that this S&P, yeah, it's down pretty good right now, but guess what? We're going down into the February and January lows. I suspect it's going to take a bit, but that's where this market's going. You're blowing out volume out here today. You've just taken out, you've done 238 million shares. You've just taken out anyone and everyone that bought anything from the 18th of March. That's on your S&P. We go over into the NDX 100, same setup in the NDX 100. This is what you have in the NDX 100. You're down $4.30, same setup. The May 19th swing point there, which is 104.54. Right now you're at 104.47. You get volume out here of 53 million. Versus the swing point of 27 million. The NDX 100 also is setting up to get down into the 94 to 97 area, which is the February 8th swing low. We go over to the bond market. What do we have with bonds? We go into notes first. What you have with notes is this. It's free money, folks. That's where this whole market's going. 10-year note. 10-year note has gone as high as 134.07. Monster volume. We've done 2.8 million contracts. You've taken out swing points. You've done all of the above with volume, mind you, okay? So bottom line is that we're going not only higher, we're going a lot higher. The yield on the 10-year right now is 1.5. We go to the 30-year. We take a look at the 30-year. 30-year was up 6 points last night. Right now, we're up 3.5 points, almost 4 points. You're out. 169.28. This little baby, bottom line, had hit 173. We're going to go to 176, 178, all of the above. The yield on the 30-year right now in the U.S., we're trading out at 2.4 on the 30-year. Pretty amazing. Gold contract. What do we do with gold? Gold contract was up over $110 last night. Right now, you're trading up. We are up $58. You've done 524,000 contracts. Bottom line, you're over the highs. You have volume. You have price spread. You have all of the above. This was in an ABC structure on the way up anyway. 1428 is the next number that this thing wants to go to. We hit 1362 last night. Right now, you're at 1321. The XAU and HUI, same type of setups. You're pushing into the highs. You have ABC structures on the way up. Right now, the XAU is trading at 94.05. That's taking out the swings, taking it out with volume. Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup. Gold Bugs Index is up 14 bucks. You're at 239. That's also a monster ABC up. And the XAU and the HUI, you talk about monster ABCs up. They're huge, folks. King Dollar. Let's go take a look at King Dollar. King Dollar caught a bid, as did gold. King Dollar got up to a price point of 96.70. Bottom line is that, we'll see whether it can make it by this and stay over this 96.11. If you stay over the, well, actually, we're at 95.51 right now. It has to get back inside the 96.11 to get to higher price. The XLE, the energy, there's the ABC structures all over the place on the way down, folks. The XLE right now down 243. You're at 19 million shares. You're coming into the lowest swing point that had 19. I suspect that's going to build a little bit cause to jump the creek. The XLF, the financials, they're getting toasted and roasted. That's breaking swing points, monster volume. The swing points that we're talking about in the XLF, that's all the banking structures, of course. The June 16th swing point, that low is 22.38. Had 58 million shares. You're blowing that away with 100 million shares. So if you haven't test drove the Tiger's Den, folks, great time to do it. You can get in there 30 days absolutely free. We were in there all last night trading as the Brexit vote was taking place. Great place if you really want to get good camaraderie going with tigers and tigresses. Test it out for 30 days. This volatility is going to continue, folks. What I do expect you are going to have, yes, we're going to get some bounces, yes, but guess what? This volume is monster, the move is monster, and this thing wants lower price. If we go over to the DAX and you take a look at the DAX in Germany, what you're going to see is this. The DAX closed down 700 bucks. The DAX, the swing low on the DAX is 88.99. Right now, you're at 95.57. More than likely, what we'll see is that that'll gap down there either Monday or Tuesday. The FTSE was down 199 bucks. You broke swing lows. You did it with volume. The FTSE will be right back down. The FTSE actually operated pretty good, but the FTSE is going to, I suspect, go right back down to this 58.88 area. The highs of the low of February on the FTSE, folks, is 56.72. And last night we hit 57.88. We go over to the silver contract. What we have with silver is this. Silver, silver had a nice bid, but we need actually more juice inside silver. The swing point in silver is 1806. We hit 1837. It has the volume, but didn't hold that swing. So silver, it's important for it to hold that swing, get up into that level once again, and I do expect that's exactly what you're going to get. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We come right back. Dow's down 605. NASDAQ is off 202. S&Ps are down 77. We're going to be right back.